नमस्ते।
नमस्कार।
कैसे हैं आप?
बिल्कुल बढ़िया।
ऐसी फील आती है ना, कैरी मिनाटी आ गया होगा। कैसे हैं आप लोग?
दैट वाज अ बैड जॉक।
आई नो, बट आई लाफ्ड। दैट्स फाइन। सो आज के मुख्य सवाल कुछ इस प्रकार हैं, और ये सवाल 1 करोड़ के लिए।
आई वोंट गेट इट, आई नो दैट।
1 करोड़ व्यूअर्स बेबी, 1 CR व्यूअर्स। अभी जिस
I won't
तरीके
even
से
get 1 million viewers. I don't think so. You have got just 9 subscribers yet.
थैंक यू एवरीबडी। ऑब्वियसली ये लास्ट में बोलेंगे, चलो अभी थैंक यू बोल दिया, पता चला पहले ही निकल लिया, चलो हमें हमारा थैंक यू और क्रेडिट मिल
लास्ट
गया।
वीडियो में वैसे हमने काफी टीपी किया था, सो लेट्स
सो
अबाउट दिस।
लेट्स कट इट शॉर्ट एंड स्टार्ट इट। सो आज का टॉपिक है OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स। आइडिया है आपको?
या आई हैव हर्ड अबाउट दिस कि अब जो है सेंसर बोर्ड जो है वो मतलब मिनिस्ट्री के अंदर।
माय गॉड, यू हैव गेस्ड माय टॉपिक राइट। माय गॉड, जस्ट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेल मी, अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, what OTT platforms are for you?
I don't think they are for me particular in
No,
particular.
what do you think? Like मेरे लिए एक चीज़ होती है कि ये चीज़ इज़ एंटरटेनमेंट फॉर मी, ये चीज़ इज़ फन फॉर मी। मैं इसको इस तरीके से देखती हूँ कि ये मनोरंजन के लिए है, ये ज्ञानवर्धकता के लिए है। वैसे ही आप बताएं कि आप OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स को किस तरीके से देखते हैं?
The cinema is usually started because of entertainment, right?
Obviously.
But जब इसके अंदर आगे गए तो लोगों को पता चला कि इससे बहुत सारी चीज़ें कर सकते हैं, इससे इन्फ्लुएंस कर सकते हैं, और लोग इससे इन्फ्लुएंस एक्चुअली होने लगे। तो OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स की जब अपन बात करते हैं तो इसमें काफ़ी अच्छा कंटेंट भी है, जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल नेटफ्लिक्स पे आवर प्लैनेट डॉक्यूमेंट्री एंड बहुत सारी ऐसी काउस्पिरेसी एंड नॉलेजेबल डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज भी है। तो वहीं पे ऑल्ट बालाजी जैसे OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स भी है।
Controversial answer again.
Yeah, so it depends actually कि what you are watching it for basically.
Okay.
But for me
So what
it
are
is
you watching these days?
actually I am not watching anything these days.
Last time I checked, you were watching Mahadeva.
Yeah, I was, but
A big Shiva fan, right?
yeah, obviously.
And obviously I can't tell what other things you were watching.
No, you can. I was not watching anything controversial.
Obviously I know because we share the passwords. So okay, so it depends on you what you are watching for it, be it the education, entertainment, या जो भी आपको सही
Yes,
लगता है.
definitely. People will offer what they have to offer, but what you are getting from it is definitely your choice.
So okay, I will get back to you from this statement. But I have the next question. What do you prefer, OTT versus theaters? Theaters as in, would you like to go and watch a movie like Avengers The Endgame, or you would prefer it on Netflix, Amazon, or anything like that?
It depends actually. During the corona time, obviously, watching on my phone is preferred.
ओके, बट व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि सस्ता सुंदर टिकाऊ फ़ोन मिल गया, घर में मिल गया, चलो देखो, मच बेटर, और नहीं दोस्तों के साथ जाओ, कमेंट्स करो, पॉपकॉर्न खाओ, महंगे वाले, सस्ते वाले, नॉट सस्ते वाले?
Again, on this, it depends that what do you really want? Because in my case, what I'd prefer is that I don't want to spend that much of money and time watching some entertainment in the dark. I used to do that a lot earlier, but for now, what I think is that I mostly watch something that is useful for me.
What was the first movie you were watching that you went there and
No, that is personal.
it was a Salman Khan movie, if I don't.
Yeah,
I'm not.
it was. We are not discussing personal things.
Cool. So censored board वाली जो बात आपने अभी बोली, व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट इट कि OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे सेंसर्ड होना चाहिए, नहीं होना चाहिए?
सेंसर बोर्ड जहाँ तक मेरे को लगता है वो एनीवे जो कंटेंट इजीली वॉचेबल है फैमिलीज़ के लिए और बाकी सब के लिए, उसको सेंसर नहीं करते हैं फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल। वो सेंसर उस कंटेंट को करते हैं जो कि मासेस के अंदर कुछ ना कुछ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट क्रिएट कर सकता है। और
ओके।
अभी पिछले कुछ टाइम से ऐसी काफ़ी सारी सीरीज निकल के आ रही है, दो आई एम नॉट इवन अगेंस्ट द एंटरटेनमेंट, देयर शुड बी एंटरटेनमेंट, और मैं इसको एंटरटेनमेंट की तरह ही लेता हूँ। जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने कोई भी वायलेंट सीरीज देखी तो उसका इम्पैक्ट मेरे ऊपर नहीं पड़ेगा, ये चीज़ मैं जानता हूँ, क्योंकि मेरा मेंटल लेवल जो है वो उस तरीके से डेवलप्ड है कि मैं उसको एंटरटेनमेंट की तरीके से देखता हूँ। लेकिन जब हम बात करते हैं मासेस की, तो लोग इतने मैच्योर नहीं है अभी इन माय ओपिनियन कि वो उस चीज़ को एज ए एंटरटेनमेंट हैंडल कर सके। जस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल आई वाज रीडिंग समथिंग अ फ्यू टाइम बैक व्हेन कबीर सिंह वाज रिलीज्ड, that boys were just like
Daru and smoking and drugs
yeah,
and
so,
all, and
so this is a proof
they were somehow they were like if you think कि कोई तुम्हारा अपना है then violence is allowed. Somehow people took it like that because in that movie
that was for entertainment, because that was a particular story and you watch it, and if you learn something good from it then it is okay, and if you don't learn something good from it then okay, it was good entertainment and you watch it and then you go do whatever you want to. लेकिन जब ये चीज़ एक फैक्ट है कि उस टाइम पे सबने ये चीज़ एक्सपीरियंस करी थी कि ये चीज़ हो रही थी मासेस के अंदर, तो ये है कि मासेस को डेफिनेटली जो इन्फ्लुएंस है, वो जो स्टार्स का इन्फ्लुएंस है वो अफेक्ट करता ही करता है। तो बीइंग ए इन्फ्लुएंसर, क्योंकि आप अगर उस पोजीशन पे हो जहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग आपके इन्फ्लुएंस से कोई भी एक्शन ले सकते हैं, तो वहाँ पे इट इज़ योर रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू मेक ए मैच्योर एंड some kind of content which will not harm masses in any way.
ओके। सो डू यू थिंक कि इस सेंसर बोर्ड के होने से जो फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन है उसको कुछ हार्म होगा? बिकॉज सी यू हैव टोल्ड मी कि आपके ऊपर एक एज एन इन्फ्लुएंसर आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती है कि आप दुनिया को क्या दिखा रहे हो। फॉर मी उड़ता पंजाब वॉज नथिंग connected to reality.
Yes, definitely.
It was more
what I think is that it definitely we have to pay something for something, right? So like Urta Punjab was a good message that this kind of situation is going on in Punjab and all.
You have been in Chandigarh, so
yeah, so the people there are like this and the situation is really worse there. So it was a good message movie on that concept. But as I said that people are not really that much mature right now.
Yeah, in that movie also people were inspired by Shahid, the way Shahid was reacting after getting high on drugs.
Yes, exactly.
Or the way he was handling his career, like he doesn't give a fuck or he doesn't give a damn. That kind of attitude people adapt a lot, and they what things
this is the basic human nature that if you throw something negative at a human being and if you throw something positive at a human being, this is very natural. If you are not conscious enough, the person will absorb negative vibes more easily.
Okay, fine. So according to you, in the generation you are 20, so obviously from 18 to 25 the generation जो निब्बा निब्बी से जस्ट बाहर निकल के आते हैं what they actually prefer to watch on the OTT platforms, like उनको entertainment ही चाहिए. In general I'm not asking about you because I know you are a different personality, but in general like 70 to 80% people what they are actually looking for.
Actually, what I think is that it's not what about people are looking for, because personally what I think is that लोग जो है उनको कोई डायरेक्शन पता नहीं है, वो जो चीज़ सामने आती है, जो चीज़ उनको कंफर्ट देती है, अट्रैक्टिव लगती है, वो उस चीज़ को फॉलो करने लग जाते हैं बेसिकली. तो यहाँ पे कंटेंट क्या लोग देखना चाहते हैं इसके कंपैरिजन में ये चीज़ ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट और सिग्निफिकेंट है कि जो कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स है वो कितने ज़्यादा कॉन्शियस है अपने कंटेंट को क्रिएट करने को लेकर. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल आई विल जस्ट गिव यू अ स्टैट, आई एम नॉट वेरी श्योर अबाउट इट, बट मोर देन हाफ ऑफ द कंटेंट ऑन ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड ऑन इंटरनेट टुडे इज pornographic कंटेंट.
Okay.
So this is a serious issue as a humanity, because if more than half of the content is pornographic content available on the internet, then you can think that in which way humanity is going, in which way this generation is going. So there needs to be more conscious and good content, because people will eventually watch what is available there. Because if I am watching only violent movies since my childhood, I will slowly become like that. And that is for sure,
Because you will start thinking that yeah, this thing is right because he also did it.
yes, obviously,
We make role
thoughts are
models.
being influenced. That's why environment is very, very important and plays a very significant role since very beginning and since the childhood.
Okay, now here is a bonus question, though it was not in my list,
Alright.
but I'm asking what you have learned by watching Shiva, Mahadeva. People will start thinking that we are pro Hindus or Kattar Hindus or.
No, as I have said in my last video as well, that Shiva never said that he is a Hindu.
No, you just said that people start thinking of such violent terms because they are watching such movies. So you are watching Mahadeva. What are you learning?
Actually, even in this Mahadeva serial, they have just put it like over dramatic scenarios, and it is very little, not even 1% of what Shiva actually was.
It has more religious thoughts and less practical and human.
I wouldn't say that much of religious thoughts, but the rituals and all those kind of things. But this is what I strongly think, that what I have seen till now in Mahadeva, Devo ke Dev Mahadev,
Don't name it.
it doesn't even matter.
We can't beep it because we are not editing the videos.
Okay, so what I have seen till now, what I believe is that, what I strongly think actually is that they have not shown even 1% of what Shiva actually was. Because every time Shiva has closed his eyes and somebody will come and he'll open his eyes. But what actually he is doing of yoga, what actually he is doing of some other things.
Probably
There is more love story going on.
Probably they should launch Baba Ramdev. He might tell us what actually Mahadeva was doing. Jokes apart, I'm just kidding. You don't need to argue, obviously. So thanks a lot for being with us, and you can request for the likes and subscribe, even though it's my channel, but you are getting the views.
No, I won't, because if the audience is mature enough, they will surely appreciate, and it is very natural for them to like and subscribe and share and all of that.
No, people don't. They don't appreciate, because I have seen a lot of posts on social media where memes post करते हैं.
But as I have said, if you are
creating something,
so if that really matters to you, as if I am speaking right now, so, and you thought that my thoughts, what I think, and this interview should go
we
public.
probably हम लोग ऐसा हमेशा डिस्कस करते हैं, but this is the first time I am posting such videos, just because I want people to know what we actually think of such topics or think about some such things, because आप एक जो को जाके समझा नहीं सकते हो कि सुन ये जो तेरी थॉट्स है दोज आर रॉन्ग. सो माई अल्टीमेट मोटिव्स बिहाइंड दिस चैनल इज़ कि लोगों को एक्चुअल में पता चले कि ऐसे थॉट्स भी होते हैं जो पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव नहीं होके एक्चुअल में
to see the things as they actually are.
डेफिनेटली हमेशा आप उस चीज़ से पॉजिटिविटी लो, नेगेटिविटी लो, ज़रूरी नहीं है, जैसी वो है वैसी वो है. दैट्स इट. स्टिल do like and subscribe my channel.
Yes, you have all those who are watching, you may have liked and subscribed or watched the content of entertainment and negativity or whatever, so but this is for the first time. If for the first time we are trying to do something good, so it's good to share. There is nothing to back out on this, so please
thank you. Namaste one more time.
Sure.